Damn! This is crazy. Can you solve this problem? Can you find the factorial of this particular problem? Can you find the value of x here? I'm so happy today. So if you can do this, be the first person to drop it in the comment section. I'll be looking at the very first person to drop it in the comment section. And in case you are in today's class, say present in the comment section. I meet Tutor John The Scientist and make maths appears easy and accessible to everybody online. So all you need to do, engage actively, like this post, share this post, and so drop your opinion in the comment section. Looking at the question alone, I already know the answer to the question. So if you are one of those smart geniuses we have around the world, you can feel free to drop your answer even before I proceed. Now, let's go. If x factorial plus x factorial plus x factorial is equal to 360 degrees, find x. Now, first of all, we are going to factorize x factorial because we see that we have x factorial here. That's to say we have x factorial into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 360 degrees. Are you following me? You watching me? Are you following me? Yes. So now moving on, what do we do now? Because even x factorial multiply will still give us this value back. So now we continue. X factorial is into bracket 3 will be equal to, we're equating it, right? So we have 120 times 3 is equal to 160. It's 360. So we have 2 here, so we can strike that. So we'll be left with x factorial is equal to 120 degrees. 120. So what do you do next? 120 is 5 factorial. Reason is because it's 5 factorial. And 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Backward multiplication. 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3 is what? 20 times 3 is what? James, 20 times 3 is what? 60. 60 times 2 is 120. Correct. So we have this value. So we have x factorial is equal to 5 factorial. Now if we compare both sides, we can see that x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So if you enjoyed this lesson, do not forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.